Mama said to me when I was just 5, son, you're gonna be the greatest man alive. But something went wrong, kinda came off the skids, 'cause I'm stuck here at home looking after the kids. So I'm doing the laundry, tumble dryer's broken, I sorted the whites and got them soaking. Black clouds closing in, the weather's gonna break, still got hoovering to do and kids' lunches to make. So I'm gonna hang out the washing in the rain. Said I'm gonna hang out the washing in the rain. I don't care when it gets dry, I just do it over again. So listen up, good people, to the tale I tell. Despite best intentions, parenting can be hell. Adult conversation, well, you can forget about that, 'cause I've had it up to here with the cat in the hat. Swans in from working in town, looks around the house and me up and down. Don't she know I've been working ever since I awoke? Never knew it'd be so hard being a housebloke. So I'm gonna hang out my washing in the rain. Said I'm gonna hang out the washing in the rain. I don't care when it gets dry, I just do it over